Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to take a picture on Windows 10 and capture your screen quickly and easily. In this video, we will go step by step through the easiest ways to take screenshots and save them on your PC. Step 1. Press Windows plus Shift plus S at the same time. This opens the Snipping Tool menu, which lets you select the part of the screen you want to capture. It's a fast and convenient way to take partial screenshots without saving the whole screen. Step 2. Open an application like Paint, Microsoft Word, or an email. This is where you can paste the screenshot you just captured so you can see it and make any necessary changes. These applications are great for editing, sharing, or saving your images. Step 3. Press Ctrl plus Y to paste the screenshot into the application. This will instantly insert the image you captured, allowing you to view it or start editing immediately. Pasting is essential because the screenshot is stored temporarily in your clipboard. Step 4. Edit and save the screenshot in the application. You can crop, annotate, or resize the image before saving it to your preferred folder on your PC. Saving the screenshot ensures you always have a copy ready for future use or sharing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.